From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this hot and dry day across Acadiana and the extended sunshine, because it all goes away. Rain chances on the increase as this area of high pressure begins to retreat to the west, and that allows for the storms that we're seeing in the northern part of the state into Mississippi, and a little bit of a frontal trough to sag southward into Acadiana, and then it becomes nearly stationary, and more energy coming in from the upper parts of the atmosphere will keep those storms energized each and every day through the weekend, and it looks like much of next week as well. Now, late this afternoon, a couple of strong storms across eastern Texas, and we had some up towards Senlaw, but most of us quiet across Acadiana. We did have some strong storms, even severe thunderstorm warnings for some of this action that was moving into Rapides Parish this afternoon, but you can see all those strong storms have since weakened. That severe thunderstorm warning should be dropped by now already. And then farther to the south, we are seeing a little bit of an isolated shower for our friends in Patterson, just west of the Berwick-Morgan City area. Unclear on whether this is going to make it all the way over to Berwick or Morgan City, but nonetheless, that shower moving southeastward, and the rest of us staying dry. Now, moving into tomorrow, we have a good chance of showers and thunderstorms, and the Storm Prediction Center does have us hatched in for a low-end marginal risk of isolated severe storms. That's a level 1 out of 5. Mainly, we're worried about the possibility of some strong storms that could contain damaging winds, but we'll certainly see some storms with strong and gusty winds, and then locally heavy downpours. So on the satellite imagery this afternoon, you can see the rain and storms across the area, but more on a scattered basis. A couple of tropical waves in the Atlantic. We'll keep an eye on this one and this one coming off the African coastline. That one shows some promise for development, as does this tropical wave that's in the northwestern Caribbean by the Belize area. This is expected to get into the Bay of Campeche more than likely by late tomorrow, and we might see weak low pressure developing here. Bottom line, we do think this is going to be heading toward northern Mexico, South Texas, with the threat of heavy rainfall, but maybe some of this moisture with this system squirts our way as well. In fact, as we take a look at that available atmospheric moisture based on the Euro model here, you can see the red. That means plenty of atmospheric moisture over our area. Here's that tropical disturbance in the western Gulf, and notice some of that moisture tries to work its way northward, but bottom line, we're already going to have high rain chances in place, and this system won't directly impact us. But notice the red across the area. It continues into Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Doesn't go away, so enhanced rain chances, and then more tropical moisture heading for the Gulf of Mexico as we round out toward the end of next week. And we'll show you the GFS coming up in a bit. It shows more development in the Gulf, and then you can see a couple of systems that we might be tracking as we get closer to the end of the month and September. Typical for the time of the year as we plot up all tropical storms, hurricanes, and major hurricanes, and you can see we're climbing that mountain, so we should expect activity more than likely in the next week or two to track in the Atlantic Basin. Doesn't mean necessarily anything coming our way, but we'll have to keep an eye on things for sure, as we always do. Now, showers and storms will become likely tomorrow, maybe at any time during the day, especially afternoon and evening hours, with some locally heavy downpours, and we'll do it all over again going into Friday with a good chance of showers and storms. Not much rhyme or reason to the action or who's going to be impacted the most. And then going into Saturday, much the same. Showers and storms will be likely, especially into the afternoon hours. Most of us catch an inch or two of rain over the next 2 to 3 days. Some isolated spots are going to catch more. This latest computer model run favors western Louisiana, southwest Louisiana, but that's going to change. Bottom line, be ready for the possibility of some localized street flooding and some of those heavier storms. 77 the low tonight. Can't rule out an isolated shower or thunder shower, especially toward daybreak tomorrow. And then tomorrow, it's going to be a mostly cloudy day. Temperatures top out in the upper 80s with a good chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially as we get into the afternoon hours. We'll see those locally heavy downpours across the area. As we move forward, rain chances staying elevated through the weekend, much of next week, 50 to 60% or better on any given day. But what you don't see on that 10-day forecast is highs in the 90s. So if you're going to have not 90s, you're probably going to have lots of rain.
Lots of rain,
And that's what we have coming.
One versus the other. Thank you, Robin.